Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I share Cantonese fried rice noodles. I went back to Shenzhen with my friends to eat. Try the fried rice noodle, leaving a rich aftertaste. Try to copy. This dish has no meat. Explain the production process in detail. It is recommended to use this brand of rice noodles. The effect is satisfactory. Hong Kong-style fried rice noodles, usually soaked in hot water. This time I will soak in cold water. There are 3 rice noodles in a pack. 1 is enough. Soak for half an hour. Topped with carrots. Small amount of broccoli, chili. Servings to your liking. These fried rice noodles, the spicier the better. Chili must be added to enhance the aroma. And garlic and shallots. Finely chop garlic, chili and shallots. Set aside, spare. Sliced carrots and broccoli. Adjust the sauce easy to operate. A teaspoon of sugar. Pinch of salt. If you want it to taste like the product of sidewalk snack booths, you must add a teaspoon of MSG. If you don't like it, you can use chicken powder instead. A teaspoon MSG. Pinch pepper. Half tablespoon soy sauce. Half tablespoon dark soy sauce. Half tablespoon oyster sauce. A teaspoon Maggi fresh soy sauce. Half tablespoon sesame oil. Mix well and set aside. Break 3 eggs. Add a pinch of salt. Beat the eggs. All the materials have been prepared, and it can be made after the rice noodles are soaked. After half an hour, pick it up. Drain. Heat up the wok. If you use a non-stick pan, don't heat it. It will shorten its life. Turn off the fire. Add a tablespoon of oil. Shake well. Add eggs. Fire up. Stir fry it to small pieces. Match the texture of rice noodles. Turn off the fire, scoop up, spare. Open a small fire. Add a tablespoon of oil. Shake well. Add garlic and chili until fragrant. Add shredded carrot. Shredded cabbage. Open the maximum fire. Fry for 30 seconds. Add rice noodles. Stir fry evenly. This process must use the highest fire, otherwise the wok height will not be enough. We'll shoot a video later explaining what wok height. Add sauce. After stirring well, add eggs. Add chopped green onion. Stir fry evenly. Turn off the fire and serve. Cantonese fried rice noodles complete. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.